ومن لم يعانقه شوق الحياة تبخر في جوها واندثر فويل لمن.
In this I also discovered, I also learn and you learn, never to give up, never ever give up. You would not, Allah did not choose you to be a loser. Allah did not choose you to be a Muslim because you were an accident. You're not Muslim because it happened for you to be a Muslim. Allah chose you for a purpose, for a hikmah. And then because of a quality that you have, Allah said this person should go to the land of the kuffar and be the messenger of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Subhanallah. It is not an accident. It is not a coincidence that you here living in the middle of kuffar. It was by design. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, إِنِّي جَعْلٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً. Allah did not create your father. Allah did not create Adam that time. But He said, I will appoint a Khalifa, a person to be in charge on the planet of earth. And that was you. Allah did not leave you in Pakistan, in Somalia, in Egypt, in Afghanistan, in Sudan, when you can hear the adhan and you have no problem going to the masjid. Where I was born and raised, and where I was raised, when the adhan is called, I used to get confused, and I used to be picky on choosing what masjid should I go to. As'aluka billah. When was the last time you heard the adhan simply because you were driving in the middle of the road? When was the last time that while you were shopping, you say, I'm going to stop, and the shopkeeper will say to you, I'm not going to sell to you because I am going to Salah? Not on this land. Not in Canada. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not leave you there. Why? Because He knows you can live here, maintain who you are, spread Islam, and teach others about Islam. لا يكلف الله نفسا again إلا وسعها. You're equipped to be that successful individual, that successful Muslim who will lead the kuffar to Jannah al-ardu as-samawati wal-ard u'iddat lil-muttaqin.